Now we're recording. Andrew is cooking his own supper. He's making macaroni and cheese. The timer just went off, so we're going to take it off. And Gigi's going to take it over here because that's a little heavy for even somebody as big as Andrew. And Andrew's going to move his step stool over here. Gigi's going to do this. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. She's on the camera. Say hi to the camera. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Okay. Now I'm going to put these back in. And you're going to add the butter. Andrew's going to add the butter. Very good. How about some more? That's good. How about some more? And more. There. How about some more? Here. You stir, and I'll put some butter in, okay? Can you stir? Good job. That's all. Keep stirring. Good job. Now we get some yeah. Not all of it though, okay? Can you pour slow? Slow? Okay, that's all. That's all. That's all. Thank you. Very good job. Yep. Let's put it down here and you stir. Okay? There you go. You stir and I'll get the cheese. Papa, I'm stirring. And Gigi is going to help with her. Yeah, Andrew's making his own dinner. Okay, keep stirring while I add the cheese. Keep stirring and stirring. Good job. Andrew's a good cook. Maybe Papa will eat a little bit of it. See what a good cook you are. That's enough. That's all there is. It is enough. You were right. You were exactly right. Okay. Wait. Let's put it in a dish, okay? I guess that's spoon for Papa to eat. Hey. And this is macaroni and cheese by Andrew. Yes, and
this
we
is
have the
tomato.
tomato that we're going to cook later. Okay, now we're going to dish some of this up so that Andrew can have some supper. And we're going to stop.